Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Super Album TV. We are about to do an unboxing of the Extreme Bass Billboard Stereo True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. And I can already see right off the bat, the package looks like this. It's not really, it's a little slick package. But it looks pretty convenient. That's on the side right there. So the holographic sticker on the side, Billboard. This is model BB1834. So this is model BB1834. So these true wireless stereo earbuds, they basically last for 6 hours. That's what it says up here, up to 6 hours playtime. And it says it has extreme bass sound, up to 3 recharges per full case. So yeah, I'm assuming that's about 18 hours total. Once again, this is true wireless stereo earbuds, Bluetooth capability. And I'm about to do the unboxing as we speak. And let's see what's inside of the box. Okay, let's open this up. I'm excited, guys. Y'all new, make sure you press that subscribe button. I'm excited, guys. Let's see what's in here. Uh-oh. So we got a manual in here. The Billboard True Wireless Earbuds. This is the manual. And I'm assuming it's going to tell you how to turn it on and everything. So just to let y'all know, I did buy this for about, it was under $20. About $15, I'm gonna say $15. So I'm very curious to see how these earbuds do. I hope they do really well. It's just about time for me to buy some more earbuds. It comes with standard USB cord. And it has the charger case right here. Pretty standard size, I would say. It's kind of slick though. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's kind of slicky. It tells you how much to charge it up right there. Let's open this up. Yes, as you can see, it's kind of hard to open up because it's slick. You press the button, I guess that's the power on. Yeah, it's hard to open. I almost broke it, ladies and gentlemen. It's hard to open. Okay, that's what's in the inside. And I'm assuming you just take the earbuds and you just you put them in here. Yep, you put them right in here. And as you can see, it turns red. So I'm assuming when it turns red that it's charging. I'll put the other one in. Yep, as you can clearly see, both of them are red. So the bottom, so I guess it's blinking, so that means that it's charging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do the review as well. I'm gonna come back, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe if you're new. And I'm gonna actually be doing the video with these on to do a little test run for y'all. All right. So you can clearly see, to pair these earbuds, one of the really things I like about this is when I had it in the charger, this case right here, all you gotta do is take them out. They pair by themselves, but you gotta go to your Bluetooth on your device, whether it's your iPad, your phone, or your laptop, and you just have to press on. You're gonna see both of them. It's gonna be a duplication of the earbuds, and you just click on one of them, and both of the earbuds are already paired automatically. I really love that. You can clearly see they are on right now. It's blinking. I did actually listen to a song, and I have to say the bass is extreme. But I was really surprised on one thing. I was actually surprised on how clear the sound is. For a pair of earbuds, that's under $20, I would have to say the Billboard True Wireless Stereo Earbuds lived up to the hype. Now, I just hope that, you know, it lasts up to 6 hours of playtime. That's pretty good. You know, 6 hours of playtime is really good. So, yeah. So far, I mean, it's so good. I mean, I would have to say this is a buy. And I would recommend that you get these Billboard True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, extreme bass. Y'all make sure you subscribe, Super Album TV, if you're new. I'll see you next time.